Good morning. My name is Gauthier Bigas. I'm the head of innovation and blockchain within the LVMH Group IT team. So after an entrepreneurial endeavor and several roles within digital and innovation in a startup environment and within LVMH, I joined the CIO of LVMH, Franck Lemoyle, a year and a half ago to coordinate and set up the blockchain and NFTs projects for the group and in support to our maison. Well, if I had to summarize my métier in a very simple way, it consists in doing the link between technical, marketing, business, and teams for innovative projects. At LVMH, our daily work is to support our maison in their projects with 5 main activities and pillars. First one is pedagogy and acculturation on blockchain and NFTs topics. Second one is business case definition. The third one is to provide documentation, use case catalogs. And the fourth one is to do some project management for sure for our maison. And the fifth one is to coordinate the Aura Blockchain Consortium that we founded a year ago. Well, we created Aura Blockchain Consortium to provide a standard for the luxury market, luxury industry. And blockchain is a distributed ledger technology used to store and share encrypted data through nodes operated by network participants. It is in fact a question of trust and transparency for our luxury market. We wanted to provide our maison and clients all over the world a safe environment to deal with common use cases and customer expectations. And right from the beginning, we knew that we had to work collaboratively with our competitors, OTB, Prada, Cartier, Richemont, and LVMH. We all have the same use cases, the same information services that we use, for instance, product lifecycle management, customer relationship management, sometimes the same tools or providers. But the data from the upstream business, such as components, product lifecycle, distribution, direct to consumer, is specific and unique to each maison, and we want to secure it immutably. By working together on a standard, basically a set of secure tools, we allow our maison to accelerate on key, common, and prior topics. For us, it was a non-brainer. Blockchain is able to secure immutably and permanently data. This is why we decided to create an independent non-profit association in Geneva to provide this solution and certificate of authentication all over the world, acting as an authenticity label. We follow and secure the whole product lifecycle from the sourcing to the shelf, and we can do that thanks to value-added services that we provide to our clients. For instance, certificate of authentication, passport of maintenance, and so on. Or value-added content through a collectible, more commonly called NFT. Simply said, technically, it is a toolbox providing on the top of the blockchain a set of APIs to connect and integrate to information services, product lifecycle management, enterprise resources planning, customer relationship management. And specific technologies such as authentication, enablers as NFC, QR code, RFID, or direct to consumer for certificate and NFTs collectibles. Ultimately, we create a seamless luxury experience in a secure environment to best meet our client expectations. So in addition to direct-to-consumer experience by providing value-added services, we also have several projects combining a physical product traceability and value-added content thanks to the blockchain technologies NFT. NFT is a non-fungible token, meaning that it is a unique token on the blockchain that belongs to someone and that stores specific data content. This token being unique, it cannot be exchanged by another one. For cryptocurrencies, for instance, a Bitcoin token have the same value than another Bitcoin token at the same time, and therefore can be exchanged, which is the opposite as an NFT. It is the same type of NFT either on the private blockchain and the public blockchain, which means that we can provide value-added content to a physical product, such as a digital twin, a unique asset, for instance 3D modeling, a collectible for a designer or maison lovers, as a proof of attendance to an event, and so on and so on. Well, we had a few and have several ongoing projects with some maisons to provide. For instance, if you buy a product, you can benefit from an NFT as a digital twin, which will bring value-added content to this physical product. So we had a few projects with Hublot or Givenchy and with Bulgari. The second one is you buy an NFT and you will benefit from a product after a certain time. So we are dealing with after sales and before delivery use case, for instance, in the wine and spirit industry or for special orders within the jewelry industry. And the third one is full digital use case. For instance, proof of attendance, or if you want just to buy an NFT, as we've done with Givenchy and the designer Chito. Well, we want to provide a seamless luxury user experience, which means that we need to make sure that our clients who are going to buy a product within a store can benefit instantly in 1 second of an NFT on her or his mobile as a proof of authenticity or for trustability or whatever.